Hey, Peter and Cathy.
Good morning.
How are you? Becky, Renewal by Andersen.
Nice
Pleasure to meet you. How are things going?
Very impressive.
Yeah, I just wanted to swing by, see if you had any questions for me, take a look at the work that we've done so far, and just do a walk around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Awesome. What a day, huh?
It's beautiful.
What we're going to do here is Israel's going to score that exterior casing, really just to be sure that we're not going to disturb the clapboard.
Oh, that's good. I was wondering how they were going to get the window out.
That casing is going to pop right off, which is going to give us access to the frame. And that frame just comes right out.
And then what happens to the old window?
Oh, we're going to take everything away. We're going to pick up all this plastic, all the debris.
I didn't see a big dumpster or anything. So I was wondering about that.
We take it away each day. When we pull that frame out, we're going to make sure, and we'll be able to show you that, we're going to make sure all of that is air, bug, watertight, so that the entire side of your house there is going to be completely protected. Now you have the rough opening exposed, so we're going to fully inspect that cavity, that opening.
So now you can see why we wanted our windows done.
How long have you had that fogging
About
for?
15
Have
years.
you really?
Yes.
No kidding.
Not as bad right away, but
Progressively have gotten worse over the years. And that's typically what's going to happen with the fogging.
Right.
So what a shame to block some of that landscape view too with the fogging.
I know.
All right, let's tackle that for sure.
Right. And this is also getting replaced.
Perfect. That's awesome. We'll do that probably this afternoon. That'll be great.
Big piece.
So the family room, we did this yesterday, right?
We did, and I'm very happy with how this came out. You can see this beautiful custom piece is just perfect.
It's all primed, ready for you to paint.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
It is.
Love it. And this, I mean.
So these windows were done yesterday, and I absolutely love them.
Cathy, what was here before?
This was 4 windows, so 2 sides, and then 2 more of these side by side in the middle.
And I'm assuming, did we have some of that fogging here as well?
We did.
Of course, right.
We did.
So removing the 2 and just making it the one large picture window. I mean, what a view of that landscaping, get rid of that fogging. This is beautiful.
And I love the fact that instead of 2 locks to do and undo, we only have 1 now.
How nice.
Yeah.
Easy to crank.
Easy to crank.
Yep.
The whole
Beautiful.
thing is much better mechanically.
Love this. This looks absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Here we are in the living room installing a brand new double hung. As you can see, we always, throughout the entire process, want to make sure that it's a square level and plumb installation. All of our crews are certified master installers. We train them and certify them locally. So this installation that you see here is going to be consistent for every window in your home, which is really nice.
One of the reasons we picked Renewal by Andersen, because we wanted your professional installation and not having to worry about.
You don't have to worry, I promise you that. Also, something to notice is that we're using our own branded flashing tape and caulking. Once this is installed and screwed in, we're going to use a expansion foam that's going to foam insulate around the entire window, making sure that cavity is air, bug, watertight. Brand new interior casing is going to be installed. And then they're going to go outside and do the same thing on the outside.
Great.
All right, so this will be finished in no time.
I'm very excited.
Great, me too. I can't wait to see the final product. In the meantime, let's head over to the patio door.
Okay,
all right,
let's go.
Sounds great. So one of my most favorite parts of this project is this patio door.
Oh,
super excited to see it go in. So what we've done here is we've prepared this opening to be able to receive the framing.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you do to prevent just getting those nasty drafts that always seem to come in?
You can see we're putting down some of that branded sealant down the entire, along that linear space there to go below the threshold. You can also see on the frame that we've already prepared the nailing flange with the same caulking. So when that goes in, it's going to hold it really, really tightly.
I'm really happy to see they've covered the furniture so
Furniture, yeah, we want to make sure, when you're dealing with construction, you never know what you're going to find.
Right.
So we always want to make sure that we protect your home and from even dust and debris. So
I was so happy to see
good,
that.
yeah.
I was happy not to move it.
Right. Here's the moment of truth here.
Very
This is gonna be
excited
great.
to see this go in. Look at this. I'm so excited because we were so afraid of not being able to have this style door
the same style as what you had.
Right.
Yeah, that
with
4-panel door is, yeah,
it's rare.
It is.
And what's even more rare is having one company being able to provide it and install it.
Sure. From design to installation and warranty.
Right. And we were able to pick out everything, the hardware and the color
Nice.
and everything. So we're very happy
And
about
you're going to
it.
get a little bit more glass, as you did with the other window that we looked at. You're going to get a little bit more glass here.
I've
so
noticed that.
the
Which is a
visibility.
big deal.
Yeah, of course.
We like sitting here and looking out. Again, just having one contact from the beginning to end.
Yeah.
Just relieves a lot of stress.
We can see the guys are finishing up the patio door. What final questions do you have for me?
What do I need to know about maintenance?
Sure, yeah. The great news is there's no maintenance. So with our window
Good.
material, it's our Fibrex composite material for the windows. That is maintenance free. It doesn't require any
That's
painting. The
great
only
news.
thing that you have to do is wash the glass every once in a while.
Oh, wait.
And then enjoy the beautiful view.
Oh.
Sit back and relax. But thank you again. It was a
Thank
pleasure meeting
you.
you.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, beautiful.
It is.